अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एजुटेक हब। मैं हूं साजिदा आमिर और आज आपके लिए जीसीई लेवल 1 के क्विज ए के एमसीक्यूज के साथ हाजिर हूं। हम यहां पर आज इसके 37 एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे विद करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। यहां पर मैं एक बात आपको गाइड करना चाहूंगी कि जैसे आपने जेमिनाई गूगल जेमिनाई का एग्जाम स्टार्ट किया था, इसी तरह ही आपको जीसीई लेवल 1 एग्जाम की भी जब आप रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हैं तो एक ईमेल रिसीव होती है। उस ईमेल में लॉन्च पैड का एक लिंक होता है जिस पे आप क्लिक करते हुए अपने आप को वेरीफाई करेंगे अपने ईमेल एड्रेस को, और देन आप जीसीई लेवल 1 एग्जाम स्टार्ट करेंगे, जिसमें सबसे पहले आपके पास एमसीक्यूज का क्विज होगा एक यहाँ पर, और उसके बाद आपके पास लैब टास्क स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि लैब टास्क परफॉर्म करने के लिए आपने लैब को कैसे स्टार्ट करना है और उसकी सेटिंग कैसे करनी है और लॉगिन कैसे होना है। तो अभी हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं अपने क्विज़ेस। और फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, an educator wants to create a Google site for Guardian resources. They want a page on the navigation menu that when clicked leads directly to the district website. Which way of adding pages would allow this? New page, new link, new menu section, full page embed. Here is the correct option is new link. By creating new link, when we click on a link, we have to navigate to the other website or other pages. The correct option is new link. Question number 2, an educator is collaborating with another educator using Google Sheets. What is the benefit of using Google Sheets for collaboration? When we have the word collaboration or collaborator, then it means the both or all the collaborator are working live in real time in the same document. So the correct option is both educator can edit in real time. Question number 3, an educator decides to create a newsletter that includes students' images, right? And he have to create a newsletter with student images. The educator wants to take students' pictures using the device's webcam and insert them directly into Google Docs. Which feature will allow them to do this? We have the options in insert images. Here are camera by URL, Google Drive and Google Photos. The correct option is by camera. When we have to insert images by device webcam, then the correct option is by camera in Google Documents. The correct option is camera. Then question number 4, an education leader is presenting using Google Slides. Google Slides presentation. There are members of staff in audience who have hear impairment. He has the hear inability or cannot listen. Which feature should be enabled to ensure that the staff member needs are met during the presentation? The person who cannot hear, who cannot listen, enable hear impairment. Then include speaker notes. No, this is not correct option. Insert a voice recording. No, because he cannot listen. Toggle captions on. Toggle caption on while presentation mode. The speaker is speaking and there is the caption in written form on the screen. Then the right option is toggle captions on while in presentation mode. Question number 5, an educator has gathered a variety of learning materials. That have been categorized for different student interest group. We have different groups of students with different interest. Educator wants to create a personalized learning experience in Google Classroom that gives students access only to material based on their interest. Right? He has different groups of students with different interest and different learning material. Then which option should be used to organize these materials and share by category to specific students? Come first. Option number 1, create an assignment and share with the entire class. No. Create an assignment and share with the entire class, then add a private comment. No. Share the material directly with the students from the classroom folder and assign different collaboration permission. No. Next, create multiple assignments, right? Each with specific content based on different groups, then assign targeted students for each. This is the most appropriate and correct option. For question number 5, you can take the screenshot of this question also. You can take the screenshot. Question number 6. An educator wants document to automatically convert to Google Docs when added to Google Drive. Which feature would accomplish this? While uploading, there is an option in the setting of Google Docs, Google Drive, the document automatically convert to Google Docs, right? The option should be on. So the correct option is upload. Question number 7. Which Google Workspace for Education tool would an educator use to schedule due dates for class projects? Class projects के लिए शेड्यूल ऑर्गेनाइज करना है ड्यू डेट्स का, तो हमारे पास जो बेस्ट ऑप्शन है गूगल कैलेंडर, राइट? Not in Google Meet, in Drawings or Google Chat. The best option is Google Calendar. Question number 8. An educator completed a report and would like to approve their colleagues' feedback. Right? He wants feedbacks and suggestions on the document. Which sharing permission should the educator assign? He would give as commenter permission to the other colleagues. So the correct option is as commenter. Question number 9. An educator uses search in Gmail to see results that includes Google Drive. Google Drive से भी search हो and email shared by a certain email address. Which search criteria will accomplish this from a particular person? Email and files in Google Drive. We have to search with this criteria from and colon. The correct option is from colon. Next, question number 10. An educator would like students to provide feedback on their fellow classmates' work. Here is also the word feedback. The educator also wants the student to be able to revisit feedback, right? Feedback and then revisit feedback later to reflect on their learning. Which of the following Google tools will allow students to achieve both of these goals? Google Slides, Google Forms, which marks shown immediately after each submission, Google Docs with commenting enabled, and Google Sites in published mode. The correct option is Google Docs with commenting enabled. We have to assign or different students to comment on Google Docs as commenter for taking feedback. Question number 11. An educator is presenting a lesson on Google Meet and wants to navigate other tabs in the same window. The same window of Google Chrome. We want to switch the tabs. So, to access additional resources while sharing screen, they need to ensure students only see the intended material, right? Not their entire screen of their desktop or laptop or device. Which screen sharing feature would allow the educator to achieve this? share window, turn off camera, share entire screen, or share Chrome tabs. The correct option is share Chrome tab only. Question number 12. Which Google for Education tool allows an educator to streamline instruction, collect student work, and provide feedback using a rubric? All these facilities are available. Streamline instructions, collect student work, provide feedback using a rubric. These are all available in Google Classroom. The correct option is Classroom. Question number 13. An education leader needs to communicate with faculty and staff in real time. Right? In real time communication. The leader wants to allow staff member to see announcement quickly as well as share urgent question or request. How can the education leader achieve this? Use of faculty staff Google Form? No. Create a YouTube channel? No. Create a faculty staff Google Chat? Yes, he can create a faculty or staff Google Chat space and can make announcements and quiz and queries and requests, whatever he wants. Question number 14. An educator wants to arrange folder in Google Drive to separate assessment and worksheets. Arrange the folder in Google Drive. How to arrange and organize the folders in Google Drive? Which organization method would allow the educator to quickly locate a test answer key? So, come on to the options. Create separate shared drive for assessment and worksheets for optimal organization. Set the folder to allow anyone with the link to improve organization. Color code the folder to make it easier when searching for the math test answer key. Here is the best option with test answer key, and we already know how to organize the folders by color codes by giving them different colors. So question number 15. Which Google tool would an education leader use to host a synchronous virtual training for guardians? Yes, in Google Meet he can organize a meeting for guardian. The correct option is Google Meet. Question number 16. A staff member decides to start using Google Drive to safely backup and organize files. From their computer. What would the staff member do in Google Drive before uploading files to organize them efficiently? To organize them, create Google Drive folder, upload files into folder. First, create folders for different materials, different folders and subfolders, and then upload files into that folders. The correct option is create Google Drive folders to upload files into folders. Question number 17. An educator working on Google Doc would like a colleague to help rewrite parts of the document. Which sharing permission should the educator assign to the document? We already know the different parts can assign when we give someone permission as editor. When we give the permission as editor, then when we can assign specific part to specific collaborators. So the correct option is editor. Question number 18. A school leader created a newsletter in Google Docs and wants to make it available to guardians. Right? A newsletter for guardians in multiple languages. When we have multiple language, then which Google Docs accessibility tool will enable the school leader to convert the newsletter? Obviously, when we have multiple languages and want to enable the school leader to convert the newsletter into multiple languages, then the accessibility tools give us the option to translate the document. The correct option is translate document. Question number 19. Next MCQs from 19. 237 will be discussed in next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share and like my videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.